Hi everyone, welcome to Lavanya chemistry class. In this session, we can understand the concept of Fazan's rule. The Fazan's rule explains the covalent character in ionic compound. That means the covalent character in ionic compound is explained with the help of Fazan's rule. According to Fazan's rule, you must know what polarization. The polarization is the deformation of anion. That is, we consider two charges, positive and negative. In the positive and negative, they are which approaches each other and attract with each other. But in the nucleuses, they having repelled each other. So the electrons will be in the deformation takes place. That is, distortion will be takes place of anion. So the covalent character will be increases. The covalent character explains the polarization. What is polarization? The deformation of anion is called as polarization, and the covalent bond is the between separation of charges is called covalent bond. The polarization power can be calculated, that is, polarization of cation is equal to Z plus by R plus. The Z is the atomic number and R is the radius of the atom. In this, we consider cation, polarization power of cation. Here the radius will be increases in the cation, the polarization power is decreases. And the radius will be decreases, the having more polarizing power. Here, Fazan's rule states that there is no compound which is 100% ionic. Covalent compound can be explained with the help of Fazan's rule. According to Fazan's rule states that covalent character will be more if certain factors are formation formation to easily to form cation and anion. In the cation, the having the first factor is small size, and next one is more charge and pseudo inert gas configuration. In the anion, having large size, more charge, they having more covalent character. What is Fazan's rule states that according to Fazan's rule, covalent character will be more. Here the cation having small size, more charge, pseudo inert gas configuration, and anion having large size, more charge will be form character more covalent character will be more. Factors affecting polarization. The factors affecting polarization: small size of cation will be easily to form covalent bond, covalent character. That is, look at this example: BeCl2, MgCl2 and CaCl2, SrCl2, barium, BaCl2. In in these five compound, the size of cation is increases. That means the atomic radius will be increases, the having polarization will be decreases, the covalent character decreases. The size of cation will be increases, that means radius will be increases, the polarization is decreases, covalent character is decreases. And the next factor is large size of anion. Large size of anion, there will be the polarization power of anion increases, covalent character increases. That is, let us look at this example. Since LiF, LiCl and LiBr and Li, since in this size of anion will be increases, that means fluorine having small size than chlorine, chlorine has small size than bromine, then iodine. That means F minus is less than Cl minus less than Br minus less than and I minus. Here since size of anion will be increases, polarization increases and covalent character increases. And the third factor is the charge of cation and charge of anion. In the charge of cation, consider this example NaCl, MgCl2 and AlCl3. Here we cations are Na plus Mg plus 2 Al plus 3. The charge of cation is increases, that is plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 increases. The polarization will be increases and covalent character will be increases. And charge of anion is AlF3, Al2O3, Aln. In those elements, the anions are F minus, O minus 2 and N minus 3. Here the anion charge will be increases and the polarization is increases and covalent character will be increases. That means here the charge of cation or charge of anion increases. More will be the polarization power and more will be the covalent character. And the last and important factor is pseudo inert gas configuration, that is cation that has pseudo inert gas configuration shows more polarizing power when compared to cation that has inert gas configuration. That means which cation having pseudo inert gas configuration, that cation is more polarizing power is there when compared to cation with inert gas configuration. That is, let us look at this example. CuCl is greater than NaCl. Here CuCl having covalent character will be more. Why? In Cu plus having 28 electrons are there. Now copper having atomic number is 29, but in the cation Cu plus the one electron will be loose, so it attains 28 is the atomic number. So the general electron configuration is Ne 3s2 3p6 3d10. In the last outermost shell 3s 3p 3d containing 18 electrons. The 18 electrons is called as pseudo inert gas configuration. And the other element Na plus, they having 10 electrons are each other, 1s2 2s2 2p6. In the last outermost shell having 8 electrons, 8 electrons is called as octet configuration or inert gas configuration, that is noble gas configuration. The inert gas configuration Na plus having inert gas configuration, but it states that the fourth factor and the number 1, the important factor is cation having pseudo inert gas configuration is more polarizing power. That means CuCl having more polarizing power than NaCl because only the pseudo inert gas configuration. These factors are affecting the polarization. So the Fajans rule helps covalent character in ionic compound. Thank you. Please subscribe and share and support me for making more videos. Thank you.